I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to check your statement on the TD app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the TD app. Launch the TD app on your smartphone. Make sure you are connected to the internet for the app to function properly. Step 2. Log in. Before changing your settings, use the shark.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to accounts. Once logged in, tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. This will show you a list of all your accounts linked to the app. Step 4. Select the account. Choose the specific account for which you want to check the statement. For example, if you want to view your checking account, tap on that account's name. Step 5. View statement. Look for the Statements or Documents option within your account details. Tap on it to view your recent statements and download them if needed. If you don't see the Statements option, make sure your app is updated to the latest version, as sometimes features can change with updates. I hope this helps you easily check your statements on the TD app. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.